Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. My name is Tamara from Tamara W over here on YouTube, and my content is more cleaning, mom motivation for sure, and some recipes. In today's video we're going to do some organizing, decluttering, and cleaning in that fridge. The other day I went to Dollar Tree and I got some says step shelf seasoning racks is what I'm calling it. And then I also got this for that cabinet. Our shelves do not move, and this, as you can tell, doesn't really fit in there. So I think the kids' plates and stuff will be able to fit on top of here, and we can just put some cups or bowls or whatever underneath. If not, I know I'm sure I can find another place for this. I am excited. I have not touched my kitchen in like 7 months. So girl or guys, it is time to get this organized. If you need to organize, go ahead and organize with me, or grab your cup of coffee and get organizing done. You guys, how do you guys say? I already have my 2 cups of coffee. I don't have enough creamer for another cup, but look at it. Pumpkin spice. Oh my god. I'm not ready to decorate for fall, and we lost a lot of stuff during our move, but I'm not ready yet to decorate. I think we'll decorate after Labor Day. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I do always have a little Halloween out. Halloween's always been my favorite. Holidays are my favorite. My mom was a big fan of Halloween, and she just kind of brought it down onto me, or you know what I mean. I love the holidays. I'm excited for them, but it's still summer, you guys. I live in Texas, and whew, it's so hot. I'm sweating just talking to you guys. So, let's see, I lost track. But yeah, I hope you guys are all having a great day, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into today's video. Again, if you guys need some organizing and stuff, go to Dollar Tree. It's like what, $1.25 now? So it's not $1, but you guys, they definitely have a lot of stuff to organize with, to clean stuff with, just a lot of stuff. I like a lot of their stuff. There's some stuff I'm not really a big fan of, or I will never get from there. But stuff like this, you guys, so cheap. It's better than like I don't know if you guys seen this, but oh, right there, for my for my utensils, that's what I have. Honestly, it's an old formula can. Yeah, I was looking the other day for them, and they're like 20 bucks just for a thing to put them in. So I'm keeping my eye out. If you guys have any recommendations for something like that, let me know. I'm ready to switch it out and get something new. Oh, and I'm gonna pull everything from the cupboards first so we can go through them. Let me show you. This is our first cupboard, our other cupboard. This one, we can definitely organize it better. My knives are up there, yes, don't judge, nowhere else to put them. And then this one, like I said, like those plates and stuff up there, we don't even use them. So as I pull everything out, I am looking at the expiration dates just to make sure they're not expired. Um, and honestly, I feel like I just don't even use cans no more. I feel like I'm always doing frozen or fresh. But yeah, I got some cans, and my father-in-law did give me more cans, so I need to use those up. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys feel like you have stopped using cans as well. I don't know. Sometimes I do. It's very, very, very slim though. So I do apologize. I feel like I clear my throat a lot um, as I was recording. My allergies are kicking my butt out here. Some days are better than others, and I'm not a very big medicine taker, so I don't know. I try not to, and it's been happening so much lately that I just kind of don't even notice, I guess. But when I do record and I notice my allergies are messing up, I will definitely try to take the medicine so that way it doesn't bother anybody because I know it gets annoying to me. So, again, I do apologize. We got that mess, you guys. So, I love decluttering, but when it's such a mess like this, it always overwhelms me. Let me know if you're the same way. So what I'm gonna do is my last clip, I think I tried to see if both of them would fit in here on one shelf, and they do not. So I don't know. I got some seasonings, but not a lot. So let's see how this will work. I was really hoping to try to put my cans over here, but our cabinets are extremely small, so I was a little bummed, but I don't know. I feel like it all turned out pretty good, so I can't complain. And yes, I am using my phone as a light because the cabinets were extremely dark. I do apologize. It looks funny, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? So I am pretty happy with how my cupboards turned out. I'm one of those where I'll stare at everything forever once I get it done because it just looks so awesome. Let me know if you're one of those too. Like, I don't know, it's a good feeling, right? So these two cabinets, the one with the Santa were just stuff that we didn't use, but we used stuff that was underneath the Santa, and then in the cabinet that I'm pulling stuff out now had my waffle maker and my blender, some lunch bags, and some grocery bags. So what I ended up doing was putting Santa and extra plates and my cooking books into the one that I'm in now. It's off kind of in the corner, so I never really use that cabinet or that drawer anyway. So those are kind of like my just extra space, I guess. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just switch all that stuff up, and then yeah. So now onto my cabinet with my cups, plates, and bowls. Um, I felt like I was just staring at it too much, and just couldn't decide on where I wanted everything to go. So I ended up having my husband come in and help me. We did not record it, but I do have a little clip of what it looks like. And you guys, I'm just so excited with how it turned out. And yes, with me pulling a couple of stuff out that we didn't use also helped free up some more space. So yeah. So the night before this, I ended up cleaning out my stove, and then I figured I will do my dishwasher, kind of clean up my microwave disaster area. I feel like my microwave just collects a ton of stuff. But I figured I'll give you guys this motivation, and I'm super happy I did with my fridge because just wait, you guys, it definitely needed it. And again, I just feel completely amazing with everything done. So now onto my fridge. The other day I went to go get salsa, and as you can see, I spilt it everywhere. So I knew it was time to get it cleaned. And also, I feel like everything just gets pushed back in our fridge. I don't know, like our shelves don't click, or they're just there, I feel like. But I did have some baking soda, and yeah, it spilt. So at the very bottom, I had a ton of baking soda to clean up. It was a disaster, but hey, it's done, right? So let me know down in the comments as to when you guys clean your fridge. I know I need to do it a lot more than I do. Sadly, I don't. But yeah, let me know when you guys do. I feel like you should clean it like what, every 2 weeks, 1 week, 2 weeks. I don't know. I feel like I should clean mine a lot more, but sadly I don't. But again, hopefully this gave you guys motivation to go ahead and get your guys' fridge cleaned up, or if you guys are coming along to clean your fridge, it feels good when it gets done. That's for sure. So if you made it this far, let me know down in the comments if this gave you guys motivation to go get your kitchen organized or your fridge cleaned. I'm super happy that I did it. Decluttering it and organizing it is just, it makes me feel so much better. I hope you guys do enjoy this, and if you guys do need more motivation, don't hesitate to go check out my other videos. I also have some recipes down there for you guys too as well. And yeah, I will see you guys all in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.